Let's configure your cutting paths, known as leads. A lead-in starts the cut outside the part's contour for a clean entry. The lead-out is where the cut finishes, preventing marks on your final parts. Here you can see the lead-in, represented by the line approaching the contour. To modify it, simply navigate to the CAM tab in the main menu. Find the lead-in-out group and click Modify Lead. This opens the configuration window where you have full control. In the Type dropdown, you can choose from several options, like an arc or a straight line, to best fit your part's geometry. Here you can set the exact parameters. Adjust the lead-in, lead-out, and overcut lengths. As a rule, thicker materials need longer leads to ensure a stable cut. You have the flexibility to set different leads for inner and outer contours. Simply select an inner contour, and you can apply unique settings, like a different lead type or length, just for that specific cut. To save time, you can efficiently modify leads on multiple contours at once. Simply select the contours containing the leads you wish to modify. Now, any changes you make in the Modify Lead window will be instantly applied to all selected paths. Need to fine-tune a lead's position? Use the Move Lead tool. Simply click the lead's start point and drag it along the contour to a new location. This gives you precise manual control when you need it. Here's a best practice tip for perfect cuts. Whenever possible, place your leads on straight edges rather than on corners. Starting a cut on a flat surface helps prevent any potential distortion or burn marks on the sharp corners of your finished part. And that's it. By taking a moment to configure your leads, you ensure higher quality parts. Remember the simple rule: good leads result in good cuts.